Today, we're taking you inside the WM5500, Wood-Mizer's next-generation industrial sawmill that's designed to transform how you approach high-volume production. If you've been running the WB2000, you already know what reliability looks like. The WM5500 takes everything you loved about that machine and pushes it further, giving you more cutting capacity, better efficiency, and advanced operator features that give you real control over your sawmill operation. Let's walk through this machine and show you exactly how the WM5500 can unlock new possibilities for your business. You can now run wide blades up to 120mm or 5 inches. There's a new servo motor system for quick, easy sawhead positioning, and it moves on a stable triple-row chain system for smooth vertical travel. Integrated compressed air system handles blade lubrication, board return, and sawhead cleaning. Everything works together seamlessly. The WM5500 can operate as a standalone log-to-board system, or you can integrate it into a fully automated industrial line. Connect it to a system and you've got coordinated workflow at every stage of production. The WM5500 processes logs up to 105 centimeters. That's 41 inches in diameter, which makes it ideal for big volume industrial environments. Your blade options are expandable. You can choose widths of 50 millimeters or 2 inches, 75 millimeters or 3 inches, 100 millimeters or 4 inches, or now 120 millimeters or 5 inches. For heavy-duty applications, blades with stellite tips are available to power through the toughest cutting conditions. The WM5500 is powered by an engine available in 3 power options: 30 kilowatts, 37 kilowatts, and the most powerful 45 kilowatts, 60 HP. There's a built-in smart cutting system with an encoder that tracks the motor's speed. When the blade cuts through harder wood, a variable frequency drive automatically adjusts it. You get consistent results regardless of wood density or species. The control panel includes a slanted screen with view from 4 inspection cameras, a touchscreen for easy control, and built-in joysticks for intuitive operation. You can choose to enhance the operator experience by adding an air-conditioned controlled cabin, redesigned for added comfort. At Wood-Mizer, we design our equipment to be modular, offering you the flexibility to customize your setup according to your needs. The WM5500 is therefore available with different bed lengths: 4.5 meters or 15 feet as standard, 7.5 meters or 24.5 feet for medium logs, or custom sizes up to 12 meters or 39.5 feet. On the sawmill bed, you will notice various log handling features like angled bed rails, a central clamp, dual rod side supports, bi-directional chain turners, log leveling, and a cant removal system. Whether you're upgrading from a WB2000 or looking for a high-throughput industrial sawmill that can adapt to your specific needs, the WM5500 delivers the performance, precision, and flexibility that modern sawmilling demands. For more information on the WM5500 industrial sawmill, please visit our website or follow us on LinkedIn. Thank you for watching.